Welcome back, patrons. Another one mega retail arbitrage hunt at local retailers, and it's gonna be Lego for much cheaper prices, offerings. Basically it's liquidation, much cheaper than wholesale providers, and it's called retail arbitrage for your Amazon FBA business. So this specific item is this item, for which we paid £15 each. It was available on our Discord channel for all our members, and multiple people was buying in trolleys, in cages. Like you see myself, I was buying in original packaging already, like from wholesalers, but much cheaper prices than wholesalers providing to you. And this is what we're doing. Retail arbitrage, let's call it. Retail arbitrage, guys. No need to go to the different cities, nothing. Your local retailers, guys. Profits in total is gonna be about £700 in profits, and you can do the same ones by joining us on Discord Mental Picks server. We're providing all retail arbitrage fresh findings, not old ones, fresh ones, and plus guidances how to get multiple boxes or multiple trolleys. And it's not gonna be like 1 unit, 2 units, it's gonna be 50 units, maybe 100, who knows, maybe even more. So this is called retail arbitrage for your Amazon FBA, and this video is already done and uploaded to our Patreon members on Patreon account before public release of this video. So enjoy who's on Patreon already, early videos, and let's go to the full video. So Mental Picks team members found a really fresh deal, a Lego deal, which one is only £15 right now. So really cheap offering. You cannot find that offer on wholesale suppliers nowhere, just local retailers. And we did that. So basically I visited my local Asda, and Gadget staff member said, do you have this in your inventory, like at the back or somewhere? She said yes, just go to the customer service and just wait. And she came.
Are you gonna do it on?
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah.
If you just, I'll just turn it that.
I'm just gonna double check, like.
Oh
like,
right, yeah,
yeah.
that's fine. Yeah. Just gonna have 8 it is the one.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are all the same.
Yeah, just making sure, like.
Yeah, they've all got security, so I'm gonna have to be deactivated, because if not they'll go.
Come to Papa. So first try, local Asda store, and full trolley, actually full trolley. So really a good start. I wasn't expecting, because it's not a super early morning, just 10 a.m. or something like that. So I was expecting maybe a couple left or something like that, because it's really nice reductions, you know. So I was asking staff member, do you have this set, because it's not on a shelf? So she said, yeah, I can check at the back. So she said, I got loads of them. How many you want? I said, give me all of them. Give me all of them, please, if you can. So she said, go to the customer desk. So really great start, and I'm just gonna go further a little bit. Let's say another one at my own area. Asdas, multiple Asdas, and I'm gonna check what we got in multiple ones, because we're using at our Discord channel our bot checkers, which one is by location, giving you exactly which store this got inventory. So basically we're checking on this bot system which store got, and this store shows it got in it. So it's not on the shelf, but I know exactly it is in this store. So that's why I'm meeting up some staff members and just asking some questions, you know, like do you have at the back? Majority of them saying no, we don't have. Then I'm coming back from my side, I know you got, like, please check, you know, like, because we're using bot integration systems, which one for us showing exactly. And another one from previous video, leftovers, when I'm waiting for staff member to check at the back, found another one. So great extra income from previous hunts. And like you see, sometimes you can catch old inventory still sitting on a shelf itself. So nice little extra cash on a pocket. And my staff member checking some other stuff, just a little bit waiting, and we're gonna talk a little bit about that situation.
Did you just want the one?
I want more.
How many would you like?
So she was slightly shocked with my answer, saying I want more. I want all of them, actually. I want all of them. So she took some extra trolley and gone to the back. So basically gone to the back because she said they got loads of them. So nice. I'm just gonna wait, just play around, just wait, chill mode. Like you see exactly why I'm saying we need to use our bot integration, which one we got on our Discord channel. And check this out. This lady came with a full trolley, guys. Majority of newbies would be saying, oh, it's nothing on a shelf, or this lady would be giving you one item and you would be saying thank you and goodbye. This is how it is. So basically loading up this trolley, loading up what we got in it. We got one huge issue, which one is prices is not updated on the system in the store, so I'm stuck. I don't want to give back to this lady because it's gonna be disrespectful, let's say. I don't like that, and just basically was talking with the customer service. They said they cannot do reduction, manual reduction, just needs to wait. So I just took my Sonic Lego set and that's it. Gave full trolley back. Basically it happens sometimes, guys. It happens because not all stores doing reductions at the same time. Sometimes they delaying stuff, so it happens. It is normal with arbitrage business. And just basically checking another one store, which one is exactly 15. So nice finding. Like you see, only 2 items on the shelf. Like I said, majority of newbies, that's what they're gonna find when they're not using bots, not checking properly. Sometimes I'm doing myself some mistakes, like you saw previously. It's 25 was, so it's crazy. Always scan with the scanner, like when you're picking up, or at least if there is no stickers, you need to double check, because sometimes mistakes happens. So I found this other stuff. Remember which one was really helpful? This guy, I said, can you load my trolley? He said, give me that trolley. he went to the back to check what's happening there. So basically waiting till my trolley loaded fully. So I met this guy. I said, can you load me up full trolley of this Lego? He said, no problem. Just wait a little bit. So took my old trolley, biggest trolley, and gone. So waiting what's gonna happen, if he is gonna bring me or not. Let's see. Yeah.
With you to the customer. Do you want to push that?
Listen, that's crazy. Good.
I couldn't find them at first. There's 2 in each box. I might as well leave them in the bottom for them.
Welcome to the Mental Pigs. Come to Papa. Where you seen loads like this by doing retail arbitrage? Nowhere, basically nowhere. Just on Mental Pigs videos. It happens. Sometimes I'm catching too many, let's say, too many items. It's too many. Over expectations, huge over expectations.
29 you've got.
You mean box, yeah? Like no.
There's 2
Okay,
in each
okay,
box.
all right.
So there's 2. Yeah. All right. Sam, just bear with me. Might take one.
Thank you very much.
Okay. All right, Dan.
Listen, I own you.
You do. So if you see me out, you can buy me a pint.
Yeah, correct.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Thank you. I don't know, when I'm doing retail arbitrage, sometimes I'm thinking, what you guys newbies, like about newbies, I was thinking, what you guys like doing with these all courses about wholesale. Real wholesale is not gonna give you trading accounts. Like, what you doing, guys? You're missing so much just from basic retail arbitrage with huge ROI and huge profitability. This one was loose like this, so it's alright.
Thank you.
No problem. Helped some family with the battery issues and just moving further to the next one. So basically another one, a little bit mega big Asda retail store, actual store, not far away from me. So, but again, not on the shelf. So again, staff member, I catch a staff member, said, double check please at the back, double check that shit. So let's see, nothing. Alright. Strangely, nothing in this one. Just moving to the next one. So again, this one should be interesting because our bot integration on our Discord channel shows there is some loads of them. So let's see what they got. Let's see what's happening in this specific store. Scanner in place, preparing, biggest trolley. Expectations are huge. Let's roll it. Let's roll it. Come to Papa. Let's see what we got in this one. This one is not mega big one, but check this out. It's not on the shelves, guys, not on the shelves. It's in a cage, so it's not already even on shelves. So let's check with the scanner what it is. Ta-da. Nice pile. It's quite huge pile, actually. It's gonna be full trolley. Oh, and these got stickers, so that's a little bit not good, because I need to be careful not to send to the actual customer with these stickers, because negative review is going to be guaranteed and return is going to be guaranteed, because no one don't like that. If they're going to buy for 50 or for 40 pounds this set and they see 15 price reduction stickers, they're gonna be mad on me. They're gonna be mad as hell. So needs to be careful. So basically I'm gonna load up, and I need to remember that to sort it out these when I'm gonna be dropping at my warehouse. These all sets fully loaded. It's gonna be about 13 sets, basically full trolley. I don't want even more. Check this out. Beautiful. It's beautiful. And left for others one set. For the same ones who's commenting on my video saying, why I should join your Discord, it's so expensive, I can do that by myself. Enjoy your set. Enjoy your set. Merry Christmas. Enjoy your leftover. I left for you. Enjoy. And Mental Pix keeps rolling to the next one, I guess. Yeah, correct. Let's go. Paying for this one. Nice little prices. Little prices, and we're gonna sell for much higher on Amazon FBA. Ridiculous. Nice loads. Like you see, everything is possible with retail arbitrage, and even over expectations. Right. Should be 13 units. Whoever likes to do sketchy things with a self-checkout, don't do that. Don't do that. Like lots of times I was stopped by doing retail arbitrage by security. You know, you are loading a lot of stuff, so better don't do that. If they gonna catch you, say goodbye to this entry to this specific store, because you're gonna be, you know, banned or whatever. It's gonna be trespassing or whatever they're gonna do with you. Basically, don't be sketchy. Be positive. Be polite with staff members. Oh yeah. So we're gonna count what we got in total. So I need to remember these red stickers, like you see here. I need to remove that. Not all of them got that sticker on it, so I need to remember that, because it's only was in one store. So I need to be careful. You don't want a customer to get with that sticker. It's going to be almost 100% bad review left, and it possible damage at return or whatever it can be causing that issue. So don't forget that. Very important stuff. Another one load. So looks like we're gonna have a lot of them. Bam! Another one. Check this out. Yo, so it's gonna be a lot of stuff. Another one. Bam! Another one. I'm just preparing for the rest, so it's gonna be a lot. It's not half, maybe not even. So how many units we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, So over 20 units, but there is more, guys, more coming. Check this out. Woohoo! Come to Papa. So basically, we got even not packed like you see in original boxes. So this is how retail arbitrage looks. And listen, who's a newbie, who watching as a newbie, listen, your wholesale courses, online courses, which you're paying multiple hundreds, multiple thousands, worthless wholesale courses. Check this out, retail arbitrage, and check this out. I'm grabbing more than your wholesalers can provide to you. Prices much cheaper than your wholesalers can provide. So ridiculous retail arbitrage hunts, and constantly every year like this. What can I say? Retail arbitrage, guys. Welcome to the retail arbitrage. So all these boxes looks more beautiful than buying from wholesalers, actual wholesalers, because of the price. You cannot get for 15 pounds from wholesalers this item, never in your life. So this is how it looks. Come to Papa. Woohoo! So basically, in each box of this is 2 units. I don't know how much units in total in separate boxes, but I know in total is 50 units. So 50 units of this set, paid 15 pounds each. Total spendings are 735 pounds. Total in sales 1,960 if we gonna sell for 40 pounds. Prices can fluctuate. Profits each 13 pounds 50 pence. And in total profits gonna be over 660 pounds, and can be higher, can be lower, depends when you selling this inventory. All these deal shoutouts was available on our Discord Mental Picks server. So if you want to get similar deal leads, shoutouts, fresh ones, not late, not delayed, not hidden, this is exactly what you need. Join us on our Discord channel. Plus we guiding how to get huge amounts, not 1 or 2 units from the shelf like all the rest channels providing, like I found 1 unit, I found 5 units. Nah guys, we're finding in pallets, we're finding in cages, multiple trolleys. And you can see clearly this on our Discord channel, where our members sharing our success stories, and it's provable. So what you waiting for? Join us.